Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn subsets of real numbers. Our objective is to illustrate the different subsets of real numbers. Ano ang mga unang numbers na natutunan natin? Tama, ito ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Di nga ba't magulang natin ang nagturo sa atin ng pagbibilang? The set of 1, 2, 3, and so on form the set of counting numbers or natural numbers. The symbol of the natural number is a big N. And then, natutunan din natin ang concept ng zero. Zero plus the set of the natural numbers form the set of whole numbers. The set of counting numbers are a subset of a whole number. Lahat ng elements ng counting number ay elements din ng whole number. Pag sinabing whole number, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Denoted by W. And when we grow older, we learn negative numbers. The set of whole number plus the negative numbers form an integer. Integers are the set of whole number plus negative numbers. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Lahat ng elements ng whole number at counting number ay integers, denoted by Z. Counting numbers, whole numbers, integers are rational numbers. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga numbers na ito ay rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as quotient of two integers in the form A over B, where B is not equal to 0. That means ang mga non-integer, just like fraction, and some decimals are rational numbers. So example, we have 1/2, 5/8, 0.222, a repeating decimal, and a terminating decimal. Hindi lahat ng decimal ay rational numbers. Kung non-terminating at non-repeating, ang tawag sa kanya ay irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as quotient of two integers. Example, pi, square root of 2, square root of 5, square root of 11. So these are irrational numbers because these numbers cannot be expressed as quotient of two integers. Both of these numbers, the rational and irrational, are under the umbrella of the real numbers. So lahat ng mga numbers nito ay real numbers. Let us try to answer this. Check the set to which each number belongs. Let's start with 0. Is 0 a natural number? No. Is it a whole number? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is it a rational number? Yes. Since rational number na yung given natin, hindi na natin pwedeng i-classify as irrational number. Real number ba siya? Of course. Next, let's have negative 10. Negative 10 is not a natural number. It's not a whole number. It's an integer. Correct. So, since integer is a subset of rational number, Therefore, negative 10 is a rational number. And of course, it's a real number. Next, let's have square root of 2. The square root of 2 is not a natural, it's not a whole number, it's not an integer, and it's not a rational number. It's an irrational number. So since it's an irrational number, it is real number. Let's have 7. 7 is a natural number, correct? A whole number, an integer, it's a rational number, and of course, it's a real number. Then let's have 4 tenths. 4 tenths is not a natural number. It's not a whole number. It's not an integer. It's a rational number, and it's a real number.